Welcome to Mingling Trays! In South Korea, braising is one of common cooking method, and here today we'd like to share the recipe for jjimdak, Korean spicy braised chicken, which is simple, easy, and of course, it's delicious. First, we're gonna prep the veggies. Today we have potatoes, carrots, onions, zucchini, and mushrooms. Set them aside and we're gonna make the amazing sauce. Starting with gochugaru, chopped garlic, sugar and maple syrup, white wine, and soy sauce, finely minced ginger, gochujang, salt and pepper. Mix well. The sauce is done. We have about 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Remove the excess skin and fat. Season with salt and pepper. Now we're gonna sear them. Add veggies, except zucchinis and mushrooms. Pour the sauce with 2 cups of water. If you want extra spiciness, you can add serranos with holes created by using fork. Boil them on high heat, covered. When starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 40 minutes, covered. Now add the mushrooms and zucchini. We're gonna cook them for another 10 to 15 minutes. All done! It's time to enjoy! This is a really amazing sauce and perfect combination with all the veggies and chicken. I personally love braised potatoes with this tasty sauce. Hope you all try our simple recipe. Thanks for watching and see you soon!